I'm Therese Tarlinton. I am a partnership marketing specialist, a best-selling author of Swap Marketing Without Money, and also a professional speaker, and now an online educator. And I am this because I learnt from Sarah Cordiner all about how to take my keynotes in my book and my workshops that I've been doing in face-to-face and turn them into online products. I have a background in marketing, but that also means that I know what it's like to have all different pieces of software that you're paying heaps of money for, and they don't all talk to each other, so which is super annoying. So I was really looking for a platform that I could use that would allow me to have a CRM for my speaking leads and differentiate that from my business customers. It could have my website hosted, it could create lead pages, also my task management and my social scheduling. And I found all of that in Tekmatix. I guess my team, my marketing teams and marketing agencies had always done this for me. So I wasn't hands-on anymore, so I needed something pretty simple. So what I've been able to do, which I'm really, really proud of, is I have built my own website and I've built my own landing pages that go through to my courses, where I've been able to load up all the modules, I've filmed the videos, I created the thumbnails, I have done everything. And I am so proud of myself for doing that. But also what it allowed me to do was understand all the functionality. So when I am speaking on stage, then I can actually change the offer in terms of creating a new landing page, or I can include more value, give people some gifts, all of these things that I can really simply do on the software by myself. So for me, what it's given me is one platform, one price, one tool to use for my whole business. So for me, Tekmatix has actually changed my business future because it allowed me to monetize my knowledge into online courses and have everything in one spot, which is pretty cool. So I think you should definitely check out Tekmatix. I have loved it. And I will continue to use it forever after. They give you a trial, but they also have an onboarding where you can have a one-to-one and somebody will help you do it all. But actually, speaking of support, there is a chat down the bottom. It is a real person, real people actually answering your questions, and they have been so helpful with me. I've also been able to access the online library, which takes you step by step through how to do things. And the Facebook group has been great to learn from other people who are doing it just like me and learn about best practice in the industry, and also just the camaraderie. So I really encourage you to try Tekmatix. You won't be disappointed.